Bonjour, today we're looking at some verbs that end by er and which are usually very easy to conjugate, but these ones have some change in the spelling. So let's take a look at those changes. Okay, the first one is an accent. We don't have one in acheter. That E doesn't have an accent. But for je, tu, il, and il, we will need to put an accent grave, meaning that accent that goes from top left to bottom right. Okay? Why? Because we have a silent E after. So we want j'achète, tu achètes, il achète. And here, because we have a on, achetons, acheter, we have a vowel that is pronounced, so we don't need it. Same thing for amener. Amen, 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 amenons, amener, amen. And remember, sorry, I'm going too fast. Remember that they all are pronounced the same. It doesn't matter if there's an S, we don't pronounce it, and if there's N and T, that we still don't pronounce when it's a conjugated verb. Okay? The second type of change, still an accent. Here we have accent aigu, the one that goes top right to bottom left. Et, préféré. But because we have that silent E, we change it for an accent grave, top left, bottom right. Donc, je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, nous préférons, or we can keep our accent, same for préférer. Et préfère, of course, because this is silent, so we need that accent grave again. Same thing for espérer, we all see all the same changes. Okay, and next we have a situation that is a bit different. It's with the son je. Voyager, manger, nager. These all have a son je in them. So when we conjugate it, je mange, tu manges, il mange, we're fine. But when we have nous mangeons, because remember that G in front of A, O, or U, it will be a G sound. Okay? So we don't want that G sound. We need to add an E. We need to add E in front of our ONS to keep our je sound. Et vous mangez, we have no problem. Il mange, no problem. Okay? So the rule is really je, to keep the son je. J, we will hear J. If it's a E or I, the je sound is kept. But if you have an A, it's a G sound, a O, G sound, a U, G sound. Ga, go, gu, je, j. Okay? So something that, some other verbs that plays with the same rule, we said nager, we can play conjugating them. Partager, same rule. Changer. So I'll let you practice those. Again, just practice the rule. And then we have the son se, like the verb commencer, agacer, remplacer. These are not spelled with two S, which would also be a son se and makes it so much simpler, comme ramasser, which comes with two S. But here we have a C, and it has the same problem than the G. So, to keep that se sound, again, je commence, tu commences, il commence, mais again, we hit that problem. We commençons, nous commençons. That's a que sound, and we don't like it for many reasons. So instead, we will add an E instead of adding. Instead of adding a E, we will add a CD. We could have added a E to keep that se sound and just apply the same rule, but no. Okay, so that's called the CD, that little fake 5, I guess, under vous commencez, il commence. We don't have that problem. So again, same rule. CE will be pronounced se, CI, si. Mais C-A-K, C-O, co, C-U-Q. Okay. So other verbs that are conjugated the same, avancer, we have the same issue, remplacer, et lancer. And we have many more. Just practice them. Okay. And now we have the son I. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. The verb payer, nettoyer, essayer, envoyer. They have that double E, the Y, that is like 2E. You remember that when we have a Y, it's because we need one for the consonant, for the syllable before, and one for the following. Envoie, O-I, ye, I-E-R. Okay? So instead of writing deux I, we put a Y. Okay, so you already know what's going to happen. Okay? So if we conjugate it, j'envoie, we don't need those both I sound. Envoyer, mais j'envoie. Tu envoies, il envoie. Envoyons, because we have a vowel sound after, we need it. Same for envoyer, mais pas pour envoi. Okay? I hope that clarifies. All the verbs that are conjugated the same. Essayer, j'essaye, tu essayes, il essaye, mais nous essayons, vous essayez, ils essayent. Payer, je paye, tu payes, il paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye. That's it. I hope that helps. Keep practicing et à bientôt.